simplify 3 times the square root of 12x to the 7th y to the 4th. The first thing that we want to do is simplify the radicand. That's the number underneath the radical sign. So what we're going to do is rewrite that. We have the 3 from the outside times the square root. Now we're going to rewrite 12 as 4 times 3. We do that because 4 is a perfect square, and we can simplify the square root of 4. Next, we're going to go ahead and rewrite x to the 7th as x to the 6th times x, or x to the 1st. We do that again because x to the 6th is a perfect square. Anytime you're dealing with variables, if you look at the exponent, in this case 6, if 2 divides into it evenly, then it's a perfect square. Y to the 4th, we don't change because it's a perfect square. Now what I do is I usually rewrite this into 3 factors. The original coefficient, which is 3, times, now in this first radical, I put the perfect squares. The 4, the x to the 6th, and the y to the 4th. In the other radical, I put the remaining factors, which aren't perfect squares, the 3 and the x to the 1st, or just 3x. Now we can simplify the first radical by taking the square root of each one of these. So we have 3 times the square root of 4 is 2. Anytime we're taking the square root of a variable, all we need to do is take half of the exponent. So this would be x to the 3rd, y squared, and we still have this square root of 3x. To finish simplifying, we multiply the 3 times the 2, that gives us 6. We have x cubed, y squared, times the square root of 3x. So our final answer is 6x cubed, y squared, times the square root of 3x.